The Blackview P6000 smartphone is more of a classical product that has a rectangular home button with an integrated fingerprint reader and rounded edges. The horizontal layout comfortably settings and high-quality camera towards the upper left-hand corner of the device. The smartphone looks extremely good with the metallic finish that matches the latest trends and looks. The 5.5-inch display is almost bezel-less from the sides and provides the rich look to the phone. On the back side of the phone have the dual rear camera with AF light. So taking pictures in the low light will not be an issue. Now coming up to the volume rocker and lock screen buttons are perfectly located on the right bezels. Those are easy to handle and approachable. With MediaTek MT6757 processor provides the powerful performance to Blackview P6000 smartphone. It has an overall clock speed of 2.6 GHz that makes it more powerful than another smartphone with this budget. It also has the Mali T880 GPU for the better gaming performance. With the GPU unit, you will be able to see the content like video, picture, and games with great quality.